Hey team, you're here because you're serious about starting or scaling your NEMT business, and that's already a huge step in the right direction. So let me say, I'm excited to help you get there. We have all seen those inspiring NEMT stories on my social media page of people earning six figures, building a legacy, and leaving their corporate jobs behind. Now, what you may not see as often is how they actually got there, and that's where I come in. I share realistic step-by-step strategies for building a strong, successful NEMT business because this industry is real. It's serious, and when it's done right, it's life-changing. So if you're ready to take this seriously, I'm ready to help you. But here's the deal. My coaching programs are for committed, action-oriented business owners only. Trying to do this alone will only lead to frustration, and you have to have a solid plan and expert guidance. Now, that's exactly what I provide. But before booking your call, let's make sure you're ready. Number one, complete the survey thoroughly. The more I know about your business and your goals, the better I can help you to succeed. Number two, do your market research. Understanding your local market is key to avoiding pitfalls and making smart decisions. And number three, understand the value of my coaching. This is an investment into your future. I don't offer discounts because the results my clients get are worth every penny. If you're ready to finally build your business you've been dreaming about, complete the survey, book your call, and let's hit the ground running. Be blessed.